This is CUBOT Note 9, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard itself. Once the keyboard is, switched on, tap on this very icon and turn on this toggle in order for the clipboard to be activated. If the icon of the clipboard is not present over here at the, quick access icons, just tap on these three horizontal dots and you'll be forwarded into the page that will contain all the available keyboard options and features. And here you will be definitely able to find the clipboard. Alrighty, next, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have at your clipboard, simply select what elements you would like to get rid of and then tap on the trash bin. If you would like for something to be added, of course, to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let me just copy this set of characters. It's not even a word, obviously. And once I get back to the clipboard, I'll be able to see that the unit that I've just copied has been successfully added as its most recent element. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.